Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Sephora unboxing. So I am a VIB Rouge. Yes, I spent a lot of money at Sephora. Don't judge me. So they recently had their VIB Rouge, regular Rouge, and Beauty Insider sale. I think it's still going on until tomorrow, but if you're VIB Rouge, it will be until next Friday. So with this video, I'm going to show you what I got. I did get I have 2 orders coming in. And I didn't want to wait until the second order to come in, so I'll just do a separate video. So yeah, let's get started. So I placed my order last Friday, so I only got a few items. I'm technically on a no buy. As you can tell, I have a ton of makeup already. So this is more like replenishing the stuff that I'm running out of, stuff that I'm missing in my skincare or makeup collection. So yeah. And if you have any questions or if you want me to do a follow-up video about how I like about the products, feel free to let me know. So in my box, we have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Never tried this before, so we'll see if I like it. Next, we have the Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert Exfoliate. I like what they did there. Sample, and it's for all skin types. Excited about that. And let's get to the goods. The first thing I got is the Clarisonic Mia Smart. I do have a skincare face washing little device, but it is silicone. And I really don't like how it irritates my skin, so I decided to get the Clarisonic to see if I actually like it. And, well, I have to like it because it was expensive. So I can give you guys a review on this later. But yeah, I'm excited. It's my favorite color, mint green. As you can see, I did my nails. Ooh, ooh. If you want to know what color I'm wearing on my nails, leave a comment down below. Next, we have the CINCEMA SECRTS Pro Cosmetics Makeup Brush Cleanser. I got 2 of these because originally in my cart I wanted the 36-ounce bottle, but it sold out. So I got 2 of the 16 ounces. I really do like this stuff, especially when I'm cleaning my brushes. It's really quick and I don't have to wait for my brushes to dry all day if I want to use them to do a makeup tutorial. Speaking of that, one's coming up soon. Next, we have the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder. I got the colors Natural Beige and Warm Sand because, as I said in my makeup decluttering video, my skin does change colors throughout like the different seasons. So I got the 2 colors just to test out which one would work best for me. And since we are in quarantine, if I do have to return it, I hope I found my right colors. But I'm normally okay at picking my colors. We'll see. And the last item I got is another beauty blender because Lord knows how long we're going to be in quarantine and I can't be without a beauty blender. Every girl needs one. If you can't afford the beauty blender, then I would recommend the e.l.f. complexion sponge, or you can also use the Real Technique sponge, but I like the e.l.f. one because it's a little more soft than the Real Technique. The Real Technique one is a little bit more firm, and I'd rather have like a soft sponge when I'm applying makeup. So yeah, this was my Sephora haul. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or have any other videos you would like me to do, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.